Question tags. Tag questions are asked for the confirmation. They are not dependent questions in themselves. A tag is always separated by comma because they are not dependent questions. Every question starts with small letters because it is a part of the sentence. The subject of every question is pronoun, not is written in contract form. Negative sentence, affirmative, positive tags, whereas positive sentence has a negative tags. All the sentences have question marks at the end. Affirmative sentence, auxiliary plus pronoun. Example, Salma is a good student, isn't she? They had left the country, hadn't they? I have a lesson to complete, don't I? Someone is buying a car, aren't they? 2. Negative statement, auxiliary plus pronoun. Example, she did not do it well, did she? They are not ready to join us, are they? And similarly, number 3, imperative will plus pronoun. Don't cook for me today, will you? Play out, will you? Open the door, will you? With the following negative adverbs and pronouns, tag is always affirmative. Never, seldom, scarcely, hardly, rarely, etc. And nobody, no one, none, somebody, someone, etc. Unidentified pronouns. Example, someone has left a ball, haven't they? No one is ready to help me, are they? He never chats with me, does he? Sunita seldom calls her parents, does he? He rarely reads English novel, does he? Question tag with auxiliaries verb, be verb, are, aren't, is, isn't, was, wasn't, have verb, have plus V3 haven't, has plus V3 hasn't, and had plus V3 hadn't. Has plus noun phrase doesn't, have plus noun phrase don't, had plus noun phrase didn't. See modal verbs will, won't, can, can't, could, couldn't, shall, shan't, may, mayn't, should, shouldn't, and ought, oughtn't, and question marks at the end. Question tag with apostrophe, apostrophe s plus p4 isn't, apostrophe s plus p4 wasn't, apostrophe s plus v3 hasn't. Apostrophe r plus p4 aren't, apostrophe r plus p4 weren't, apostrophe would plus rather wouldn't, apostrophe would plus better hadn't, apostrophe would plus p1 wouldn't. Question tag involving main verbs, verb 1 don't, p5 doesn't, and p2 didn't. Question tag with have verbs, has as auxiliary, has, have, had plus p3 hasn't, haven't, hadn't, has as a main verb, has, have, had plus noun phrase, doesn't, don't, didn't, and question marks. She had joined a new tuition center, hasn't she? I have rarely written a formal letters, have they? She has a headache, doesn't she? Tag of the verb having the same present and past form. Singular, she burst into tears after the result. Didn't she? Past tense, in plural, they burst into tears after the result. Didn't they? Present tense, in plural, they burst into tears after the result. Don't they? Tag with double subject. I think she will quit the job, won't she? If she is invited, she will come, won't she? We think they are correct, aren't they?